Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha and today we are diving into a topic that is not only exciting but also extremely future oriented. Artificial intelligence is growing rapidly, but with this growth comes serious responsibility. Organizations across the world are now asking one big question: who will govern AI? This is where AI governance comes in, and more importantly, where ISO IEC 42001 skills are opening up powerful new career opportunities. In today's session, we will explore how ISO 42001 is creating new job roles, what skills employers are looking for, and how you can build a strong career in AI governance, even if you don't come from a technical background. So let's begin and understand how ISO 42001 can shape your future career. AI governance is all about ensuring that AI systems are ethical, transparent, safe, and accountable. It focuses on how AI is designed, deployed, monitored, and improved over time. As AI systems begin to influence decisions related to hiring, healthcare, finance, education, and public services, organizations must prove that their AI is trustworthy. This need has created a new professional domain where technology meets policy, risk management, law, ethics, and business strategy. AI governance professionals act as the bridge between innovation and responsibility. Now, why ISO IEC 42001 is a career game changer? ISO IEC 42001 is the world's first AI management system standard. It gives organizations a structured way to govern AI throughout its life cycle. Because governments and regulators are increasingly demanding AI accountability, companies are now actively looking for professionals who understand ISO 42001. Having ISO 42001 skills immediately places you in a high demand, low competition career zone. Unlike traditional IT certifications, this standard is not limited to engineers. It welcomes professionals from compliance, audit, legal, HR, quality, cybersecurity, and risk backgrounds. Now let's have a look on the key career roles enabled by ISO 42001 skills. One of the biggest advantages of ISO 42001 is the wide range of roles it supports. Professionals trained in this standard can work in strategic, operational, and assurance roles. You may work as an AI governance manager, responsible for designing and maintaining AI governance frameworks. Some professionals become AI risk analysts, focusing on identifying and mitigating AI-related risk. Others move into AI compliance or policy advisor roles, helping organizations align AI systems with laws and ethical principles. There are also growing opportunities for ISO 42001 auditors, consultants, and implementers who guide organizations through certification and ongoing compliance. Now, career opportunities for non-technical professionals. One of the most exciting aspects of AI governance is that you do not need to be a programmer or data scientist. ISO 42001 clearly defines governance, policy, oversight, and accountability roles. Professionals from quality management, ISO auditing, legal compliance, privacy, HR, ESG, and risk management backgrounds can easily transition into AI governance. Your existing skills become even more valuable when combined with ISO 42001 knowledge. This makes AI governance a perfect career upgrade rather than a complete career change. Now, technical professionals and ISO 42001. For technical professionals, ISO 42001 adds a powerful governance layer to your expertise. Engineers, AI developers, and system architects who understand governance principles become highly trusted within organizations. They are better equipped to design AI systems that meet ethical, legal, and safety requirements from the start, reducing rework, penalties, and reputational risk. Now, industry is actively hiring AI governance talent. AI governance roles are no longer limited to tech companies. Banks need AI governance for credit scoring and fraud detection. Hospitals require it for diagnostic AI. HR platforms use AI for recruitment. Governments use AI for public decision making. Any organization using AI directly or indirectly needs professionals who understand ISO 42001. Now, the salary growth and long-term career stability. Because AI governance is still a relatively new field, skilled professionals command premium salaries. Organizations are willing to pay more for people who can reduce AI risk and ensure regulatory readiness. As regulations increase, demand for AI governance professionals will continue to grow, making this a future-proof career choice. Now, how to start a career in AI governance with ISO 42001? Starting this career does not require a complete reset. Begin by understanding the basics of AI systems, ethics, and risk management. Then build structured knowledge of ISO IEC 42001, its clauses, controls, and implementation approach. Hands-on exposure through audits, gap assessments, or governance projects will significantly boost your employability. Looking ahead, AI governance professionals will move into leadership roles such as Chief AI Governance Officer, Responsible AI Head, or AI Policy Director. ISO 42001 is not just a certification, it is a foundation for long-term leadership in the AI era. As we conclude today's session, one thing is very clear. AI is here to stay, and so is the need to govern it responsibly. Careers in AI governance are not just about technology, they are about trust, accountability, and impact. With ISO IEC 42001 skills, you position yourself at the center of this global transformation. Whether you are a student, a working professional, an auditor, or a consultant, this is the right time to step into AI governance. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Akanksha signing off. If you found this session valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel TNB Academy. I will see you soon with another important topic on AI, governance, and global standards.